Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Fruity Things. In this video I will show you making mini alphabets with clay. Let's go to the video. A is for apple and aeroplane. B is for bat, ball, banana. C is for carrot, cow. D is for doll, duck, donkey. E is for elephant, egg, eagle. Next, F is for frog, fruits. Next letter, G, capital G. G is for goat, gun, giraffe, grapes. Next letter, H is for hen, horse, hat. And next letter, capital I is for igloo, ice cream. Next letter, J, capital letter J. J is for jug, jar, jam. Next letter, K is for kite, kangaroo. And L is for lion. And next letter, M is for monkey, mat, mug, mango. And next letter, N is for nut, net. N is for net, nut. And next letter, O is for ox, orange. And next letter, P is for parrot, peacock, pig. Next letter, Q is for queen, quail, quill. Next letter, R is for rose, rabbit. And next letter, S is for sun, sunflower. And next letter, T is for tree, train. And next letter, U is for umbrella, unicorn. V is for van, violin. W is for watch, watermelon. Next letter, X is for Xerox, xylophone, Xmas tree. Next letter, Y is for yolk. And last one, Z is for zebra, Jew, jeep. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thanks for watching. Give a like if you like this video. Thank you.